Hazrat Samura bin Jundab radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "One night two comers angels came to me, arose me and took me to a city made of gold and silver bricks. There we came across such men whose half of the bodies looked extremely beautiful, while the other half looked extremely ugly. They both, the angels, said to those men, 'Go and dip into the canal.' So they dipped into it, and when they came out, their former ugliness had gone, and the body of each of them had become extremely beautiful. They both, the angels, said to me, 'It is the Adan paradise, and your residence as well.' Those angels then said, 'These people having half handsome and half ugly bodies were those people who had performed good as well as evil deeds. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, by immersing them in the river of mercy, has pardoned them and obliterated the ugliness of sins.'" Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4674.